Hi, in this video we are going to see test2 column. So sometime we will be having some data like this. The test will be there on cell, and based on that we have to get the data in the some order. So I will show you, then I will explain it. Okay. I have selected that what are the test I wanted to convert it to the column, and I'll go to the data, and here one option will be there, test2 column option will be there. I'll click on that. Now I'll once I click, then this is the convert test2 column wizard, and step 1 out of 3. So 3 step will be there, and after that our data will be converted to test2 columns. So I click on the delimited, click on that, and here it will ask what is the parameter by what you want to separate these values, right? Each test will be separated, but what is the parameter we have to identify. So as of now I am putting a, here we have semicolon, comma, space and other. Anything we wanted to add we can add, but as of now I am going to enter as the other and clicking on the semicolon. As soon as I click on the semicolon, you would have observed here data preview. We can see the data got converted. So I am clicking on the next. So this is the second step, and the third step it will ask how you want to paste journal as a journal, what are the values that let it be there, or test or date. Okay, and do not import column, just skip it. Okay, that option also there, and then it will ask for the where you want to paste the data. After the like converting, from there it will be start, from where it will start. So as of now is A1, cell A1. If you see cell 1, A1 is get selected, so data immediately after getting converted it will paste over right after that. From the A1 cell itself the data will get overwritten, but as of now I'll click on this. I will select C1, clicking on that and clicking on the finish. So once I click that, if you observe the data got, I had data John Smith, like first name last name John Smith, IT solution analyst, and this is the address, and this is the his email ID. All these were there, like it was separated by comma, and here it become, we have semicolon, it was there, and it has been changed to here. Okay, so now this is the way, like we have to change. We have some other options as well. I will explain it. I will do Control Z, and now I got the same. Another option I will show you. I have I will do this. I will repeat the same step, but I will so that how to overwrite right after that data will get pasted. So I am clicking on not other and unchecking that. I am clicking on the semicolon because semicolon is there. So I am clicking on this next, and this time I'm not giving the differential, and I'm let it at what default. So data will get overwritten on whatever that we have. So if you observe, the data got overwritten. Again I'm doing, like I will do undo, and next time I will see we can we have option not only semicolon or this word only we need to select. We can select comma, spaces are there, but if anything is there, right, at sign or any other special or character, say for example I want to get converted by L, letter L. Okay, so I'll just click on the letter L, not semicolon, letter L only, and if I click on this, I hope that there is a letter L is available. So I'll click on this and click on the next, and then I'll choose the different cell. I want C1, okay, because I don't want, I will compare the data, right? So I don't want to get overwritten the data. If you observe, let me fix to the bit of this. So if you observe, right, it got converted based on the letter L. So in the first John Smith, there is no L at all, right, in this. So it did not get converted anything, but first name last name having L. So first name, and then after that last name L, whatever the symbol we will put, that it will get removed. So it got converted into wherever we have L, letter L. So here what the L we found, where Laura, right, first letter itself having L, so it has removed. Let me do one Control and do. I'll show some other example as well. So delimited and click on this. Then I'll use letter A, okay, and click on the nest. Click on this. Click on this. If you observe that it got pasted across. So this is the now, as of now, letter based on the letter A, it has been converted to the, our test got converted to the column wise. Okay, hope you have understand this one. Now another option is there. Let me check if we have covered everything. Yeah, so all things are got covered here, we have covered here. Now we will go to the fixed width. Okay, so sometime we don't wanted to go with kind of special character or anything. We wanted to go with kind of limit, like fixed character wise we wanted to have separate. So click on nest, and then now if I click on fixed column and I click on nest, right, it will ask. So we can put like this 10 characters will be the, this will be there. I will put 10 character for our, this one got here. Okay, wherever we click it will be get one. Okay, now I'll hit on nest, and then I select that where I want to paste the data. I will C1, click on OK and put on nest. So if you observe, exactly 10 letters including spaces, right, 5 first and then 4 is 1 is space. So 10 characters got separated regardless of name and all, it has been changed. So hope you understand how to use the test to column. So this will be very very useful when we are doing any data analysis work or any test file you receive and you have to convert to the columns, right? So like that we can do. Last I will show you what actually we would have done. So in this, to do the test to column, before we perform we have to analyze and we have to see what is the pattern on that. So if you see each letter, each word, last name semicolon, like first name semicolon, last name, then company name semicolon, each value having separated by semicolon, right? So this semicolon is a comma, common for everyone. Now what we will do, we will click on test to column. We have analyzed, and what we have to do, we have to use the semicolon or any word is available, we can enter it and hit on finish. Sorry, I would have pasted that, so I'll use nest and click on save here and finish. So now I can easily do the formatting, right? I'll go to the home, format, centered, whole color, okay, and click on that, like the header I want something in blue, we can put this one is in yellow, this one I want to bold, control V, right? So if you see how I have received the data and now how it has been converted. So hope you have understand this one, and in next video we will be covering some other important topics. Thanks for listening.